Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Fizuddin and I will be presenting about First Page. On this homepage, users can view available cars, compare rental prices, and select the vehicles they like to rent. And this is our booking page. This page is to book a car. The booking page has a username, user email, user phone number, age, type of car, start time and end time, and also has acknowledgement chat box and submit and reset button. That is all for me. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Irfan Minsal. This is the receipt page after the booking confirmation page, where user can view their booking detail after successfully reserving a car. It will show name, car, period time, total hours, and total price. And we have a button for new booking.
Hi and Assalamualaikum to Sir Kamal. My name is Muhammad Luman bin Agil and I'm here to explain to you the validation part of our project. So I will start with the first one, which is the text area. So as you can see here, if you didn't insert anything in the text area, there is a message box that will remind you, please fill out this field. And the second one, if you didn't choose anything, you didn't select any car, there's a message box that will appear here. Please select an item in the list. And the last one is the text box. If you didn't if you didn't click it, there's a recommendation. You have to check this box if you want to proceed. There's a message box that will appear and it will show you you have to check the box to proceed. So I think that's all from my part. Thank you.